Welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is rejection block. This will be like a 5 minutes or 3 minutes video. Now, how do I know a rejection block? That's when your swing point comes in. You all know how a swing point looks like, right? This for a buy scenario, and for a sell scenario, it's going to look like this. It's going to look like this, and it's going to look like this when price is selling. So this is for buy scenario, right? This for a buy scenario and this for a what? A sell scenario. Now, how do you know a rejection block? A rejection block is when two of the candles, let me not draw again, I can use that one as an example. When two of these candle body are equal to each other with a wick. It took me a lot of studying, and my coach also. I have plenty coaches, so to bear with me. I don't only have one coach. So it took a lot of explanation to understand how a rejection block works, right? Now, normally a swing point, this middle candle is meant to be a little bit longer, which we're told as the rule. You count the three candle 1 to 3 for a swing point. But now, what makes this a rejection block is when the wicks, the body are aligning below each other, are equal, and you mark that as your rejection block. This is a very expensive topic. Give it to you as bread and tea. So use it very well. Example, normally we have 7 institutional reference points, your order block, fair value gap, liquidity void, breaker mitigation, um this rejection part of it, old low and old high. Now sometimes you be wondering, price did not react in this what, did not react in this other block. One, this candle, this zone here did not break out with a body, so nothing is here, right? Assuming this is not here, we mark this other block. Price reacted there, but you're looking for what price was looking for. Look at this candle here. If you look at this candle here, what do you see? One, two, three. And what do you see here? The bodies are equal. Can you see it yourself? Can you see? I don't have to show you too much evidence. Can you see the bodies were equal, but there was a swing point? 1, 2, 3, body equal, swing point, aligning with a break of structure. It might take time for you to understand, but it's just practicing. I'm also a work in progress. I'm also practicing. Now, another good example. Let me give you another example again. Okay. Some put it as a form of conflict, some put trade it. You can see what price is doing here before changing direction. Body equal, and this candle reacting to it. I'm trying to find as much examples as I can for you to understand how it is, how it works. You can see a rejection block here. These bodies are equal. You mark this rejection block. These bodies are equal. Okay, let me give you another good example. Now you can see what price did, right? Price came and reacted at this body. Can you see? The bodies are equal and creating a swing point below. Some put it as a form of strategy. Some people trade it as a form of strategy, not only as a confluence, but as a strategy on its own. You can see this 1, 2, 3, and what do I have here? I have a rejection block here. They are equal. Can you see? Equal. And if you drag, 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 can you see it? But you'll be stopped as liquidity though, but you can see it, right? Rejection block is a form of like institutional reference point also. I've seen traders who use it to trade, right? But you are the one that would know what is working for you and how to make your trading very sweet and easy. 1, 2, 3, and what do I have there? A rejection block. And what is price doing? Price tapped on it. Ta. Some individuals do trade, they focus all their attention on rejection block when price sweep out old low, like an old low liquidity, and they see a rejection block, institutional reference points below. Can you see one here? They will just take their sniper entry. So it depends on your understanding, but that's a very good example of how rejection block is. I want to make this video very short and straightforward. So you're looking for a swing point, but the body equal, and you mark that whole line down as your rejection block, and price might react there and keep moving like this one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, ask your questions. I'm always happy to answer your questions, okay? And a big shout out to my coaches. Thank you.